Draining the water out of the tires on a Kubota LA 765. Full of water. Some of the moisture from the air compressor. I mean, we have dryers on our air compressors, but still, water still makes it through. So to drain your water out, just pull out the inner stem. Let it all drain out. That's what it looks like. Stinks too. Don't get it on you. It stinks. Smells bad. You know what? I ought to move it. It's going into over there. Man, it stinks bad. Oh. Oh. Stinky water, stinky tire water. What you gotta do, people, drain the water out of your tires every now and then. Otherwise they'll build up. Where's it at? Oh, you can't see it. Anyways, drain the tire water.